Hello and welcome to the CS++ video series where I attempt to make computer science topics as approachable as possible. In this episode, I'm going to talk about a while loop. And most programming languages have something like this, so it's worth discussing. And just a reminder that this video is in the 101 series, and I recommend that you watch all of the 101 videos before moving on to the 201 videos. So while is conceptually very simple. While some condition is true, do work. So I might have something like this. Now, this is a pretty boring while loop. Go ahead and take a moment to read this and try to reason through what this is going to do. And I'll start speaking through it slowly, and you can follow along. The first thing to happen is that we set continue equals to true. And then we come in to this while loop and we ask, is continue true? And it is. So we print JSON. And then we execute the next statement, which is continue equals false. And then we loop back around and we say, is continue true? And in this case, it is not. So it executes the next statement after the block, which might be print Turner. So this is the most complicated way possible of getting our program to execute exactly two print statements. JSON Turner. Now, of course, you can do more complicated things with a while loop. Now, in this code, we're going to initialize I to 0. We're going to ask the question, is I less than 10? If it is, then we print JSON, and then we increment I. So we're going to see JSON printed 10 times, once each for the values of 0 through 9 for I. As soon as I reaches 10, it breaks. So you might kind of think about this again in a homework kind of way to get your mind thinking about how these constructs might work. Something like this: while there are still dishes that remain to be done, do dishes. So go ahead and think along those lines, things around your house, things in your life where you might think along the line of a while loop.